Hello students, welcome to GATE Academy Global. So GATE 2020 branch electrical engineering, we have another question from the from the subject electromagnetics, and the question is this question is based on memory. So if the electric field is 2R AR cap minus 3R A phi plus 5 AZ volt per meter, and the volume charge density is defined as rho v is equal to P times of epsilon naught, then the value of P is. So in this question, this is the data can be changed, but the type of question and the question was on the Maxwell equation. So in this question, electric field is given. So we also know that if we want to calculate the rho v, that is volume charge density from the electric field, so from Maxwell equation, we know that this rho v is equal to divergence of D, and because we have electric field, so we can write D is equal to epsilon naught E, and epsilon naught is constant, so which can be taken as common, and this is divergence of E, and this is nothing but rho v, and rho v divided by epsilon naught will be divergence of E. And rho v divided by epsilon naught, we have to find the value of P, and from here the P is nothing but rho v divided by epsilon naught. That means we have to calculate only the divergence of E. So in cylindrical coordinate system, remember that this electric field is given in cylindrical coordinate. So in cylindrical coordinate, the divergence of E is 1 by R del upon del R into ER plus del upon del phi, and also 1 by R E phi, and del E Z divided by del Z. So the ER is the coefficient of the AR cap. So AR cap is having the coefficient 2R, it is having minus 3R, and it is 5. So this is 1 by R del upon del R, 2R, that is 2R square because R is already there, and 1 upon R del upon del phi of E phi. E phi is minus 3R, and del 5 upon del Z, because this coefficient is constant and we have to differentiate it. So if we differentiate with respect to phi, this will be 0. If I differentiate the constant, it is also 0, and if I differentiate this, we will get 4R divided by R, and R will get cancelled, and we get the value 4. So this divergence of E is 4, and the divergence of E is nothing but P, which is the ratio of rho v divided by epsilon naught, so that will also be 4. So answer for this question would be 4.